This parrot laid her first egg on her owner's hand because she was in a hurry. The man quickly put the egg into an incubator to keep it warm. About 5 days later, he shined a light through the egg and saw that a tiny baby was growing inside. He decided to help the baby hatch safely. Around 20 days later, a tiny chick came out of the egg. The man smiled with joy when he saw it, but the chick was very weak, so he carefully fed it little by little with a cotton swab. When he checked its weight, it was only 3.5 grams. It was very small and fragile. As the days passed, the little chick slowly grew bigger and stronger. Sadly, its mother passed away during that time, but today that tiny chick has grown into a big, healthy parrot.